Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this latest video, we will be doing a little plane run up. I just want to prove you guys this actually works. And yeah, let's just get started. So yeah, just 1 second. I gotta turn the remote on and stuff. Okay, it's on now. So, see, and I'm not gonna fly this in this video because this is in our house, and this is, of course, it's in the neighborhood, and I don't want to fly it in the neighborhood because it can hit a tree. So yeah, but we can just, like, I don't know, taxi it and stuff. Okay, I'm going to put it in the living room where we can actually have more room for it. Okay. Okay, I'm really sorry, guys. I know. Look, my mom was in there, and this is just me, but I don't like to make a video, like, by them. I just like to have more privacy. So, I guess let's do it in here. There's not a ton of space, but I mean, oh well. Okay, I'll set the camera here, and hopefully you guys can get a good view of it. Okay. Here it goes. Oops. Sorry, I just gotta get it real quick. Sorry about that. I'll hold the plane and I'm gonna show you guys full power. Watch this. Full power, or watch this. There's not really much to this video, but one more thing I want to show you guys, is the box it came with. Oh yeah, don't want to lose a screwdriver. Here's the box. I mean, I don't know why I still have this box, because I don't really need to keep it, but I guess, like, I might take it somewhere I can bring it. It's not a very big box, so it should probably fit in, like, your bags if you're going on vacation or something. But yeah, sorry, I really don't know why, but I don't think I really know the brand. Does it say on here? I don't think it says it. Sorry about that, but if you're very interested in this product, just look up Cessna 182 RC plane. And if you find one that looks like this in the picture, that should be the one. So, this will be the end of this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next videos. Bye, guys.